Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit like cinematic video in CapCut. So if you want to give your videos that cinematic movie look, in this full tutorial, I'll teach you step by step on how we can edit cinematic reels in CapCut, from color grading to smooth transitions, everything in between. So let's just get started by you can just open CapCut mobile and then tap on new projects in here and select your video. So for example, I'm going to add, so I'm going to use these videos right here. Okay, so now you can just head to the filter menu and then find the filter called green orange. This one, you can adjust the intensity to how you like it. I'm going to go with 75. Hit on a check icon and now go to adjust, and you can follow these adjustments. So for the brightness, I'm going to lower it to -5, the contrast increase it to 10, saturation 15, and the brilliance, I'm going to lower it to -10, and then adjust the highlight into -30, and for the shadows, I'm going to go with 5, and the temperature increase it to 15. Set the hue to -10, and last one, you can go to fade effects and add around 15. Hit on the check icon and you can play the video to preview the result. Okay, so that's pretty much it. So this is how your videos will turn out. Whether you're a beginner or want to level up your edits, this cinematic editing tutorial will help you create scroll-stopping viral reels in 2025. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials and creative editing hacks. And also, don't forget to click on the thanks. Bye!